In the pre-oil era, the desert was populated by Bedouins who depended on hunting, fishing, and farming dates for their livelihood. Dubai was then a small fishing town of mud houses and reed huts, with a population of around 40,000, primarily known for its pearl diving. After the discovery and successful commercialization of oil, the black gold reshaped Dubai's destiny. I am Squadron Leader Shahid Baig. Today's vlog takes you to one of Dubai's most iconic tourist destinations, Al Seef. In this journey, we will explore its antique shops, visit the popular Museum of Illusions, and enjoy an authentic lunch at a Rajasthani restaurant. As always, don't forget to like and share the video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do so. Your support means a lot to us. Many of its structures are purpose-built in a heritage style, designed not to original restoration, but as modern recreation that reflects the charm of old Dubai. Opened to the public in 2017, Al Seef has quickly become one of the UAE's most beloved destinations for shopping, dining, and hospitality. The waterfront development stretches 1.8 kilometers along the creek, offering a seamless mix of leisure, retail, and places to stay, including two iconic Hilton hotels. Along the creek stand alone pavilions of shops and restaurants, open directly to the water, naturally cooled by the gentle sea breeze. Al Seef offers a charming atmosphere that pays homage to the UAE's heritage. Souk Al Seef is the perfect destination for visitors looking to shop, dine, and even stay along Dubai's historical creek. Every building facade has been crafted in an old school style, transporting you back to the Dubai of decades past. From the traditional market stalls all the way to the places like Starbucks, the atmosphere feels truly delightful. As you stroll through these lanes, you walk in the footsteps of the fishermen, pearl divers, and trade bands who once lived and worked along this waterfront. Souk Al Seef is an experience suited for people of all ages. Reaching Al Seef is easy and convenient. You can arrive by Red Lane Metro, Uber, taxi, or bus. But for comfort and value, the hop-on, hop-off bus remains the most convenient and economical option. The best time to explore Dubai is during the winter seasons, from November to March, when the weather is pleasant and perfect for outdoor experiences. Once you are done with shopping, make your way to the heart of Al Seef, where you will find one of Dubai's most fascinating attractions, the Museum of Illusions, a favorite among visitors of all ages. This is a place where reality bends and your senses are challenged at every step. From anti-gravity rooms to mind-twisting mirrors, from impossible objects to the world-famous MS room, every corner invites you to question what your eyes believe. Designed for families, friends, and curious minds, the museum transforms science into pure entertainment. Tickets are reasonably priced, AED 80 for adults and AED 60 for children, making it an experience accessible to everyone. Set against the charming heritage backdrop of Al Seef, the Museum of Illusions blends modern creativity with old Dubai's timeless atmosphere, making it a must-visit destination from anyone seeking something truly extraordinary in city. After strolling from shop to shop and experiencing the astonishing world of illusions, it was finally time to treat ourselves. Right along the waterfront, a magnificent elephant statue caught our eye, marking the grand entrance of Rajasthani Restaurant Chokhi Dhani. Without a moment's delay, we stepped inside and were welcomed into a vibrant Rajasthani ambience. From the flavors of the food to the warmth of atmosphere, everything felt authentic and unforgettable. A place full of color, culture, and taste. We truly enjoyed every bit of it, and we highly recommend giving it a try. We hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like and share the video. Many of you watch and enjoy our content, but often forget to subscribe. So we kindly request you to subscribe now. Your support truly encourages us to keep working hard. Insha'Allah, we will see you in the next vlog. Until then, Allah Hafiz.